In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link documents to estimates in Stack. If you've ever wondered how to efficiently manage and associate your project documents with your estimates, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stack login page. This is the first step in accessing the platform where your project management unfolds. Once there, you'll need to click on the Login with Google option. This simplifies your access if you've integrated your Stack account with your Google account, offering a quick and secure login. With your account opened, you'll see a list of your ongoing projects. Click on the project where you wish to link your documents. This takes you to the project's main page, a hub for all your related files and activities. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Home, which is your central command center for the project. In Home, find and click on Project Files. This section is specifically designed to house all the documents associated with your project. To add new documents, you'll click on Upload Plans. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to select the specific documents from your device that you want to upload. Once you've chosen your files, click on Done to finalize the upload. After completing these uploads, it's time to navigate to Stack Build and Operate. Open a new tab, visit the Stack Build and Operate login page, and if prompted, type in your login credentials. Follow up by clicking Next and then Log In. Once logged in, head to the Documents section. You should see a list of documents connected to your projects here. Now identify the specific document you wish to link to an estimate in Stack and click on it. If needed, click on Plans from Stack T&E to access specific plans. As you click around, you're essentially building the bridge between your documents and estimates. As you navigate through this process, you might see some fields that require highlighting or additional input. Fill in these fields as necessary. Once all your information is input and checked, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all new linkages and details are stored securely within the system. The final check is to verify everything aligns with your records and specifications. Click through your documents and estimates to confirm they're properly linked. With everything in place, you've successfully mastered the art of linking documents to estimates in Stack, streamlining your project management efforts. Make sure to regularly revisit your setups and document links to keep everything aligned with your ongoing project management needs.